aseda enka twede ambanakopon de obosro basase ene enso da onyame de acheye the 13th day in the month of July 2020 mraso say your hottest socio-political program in the late afternoon on TV Sinupi ya chance here na inyamre Sinupi somehow we try to cause for Ghana, especially in our political season in Ebinyamre Ebitimi Edinko. So the program is proudly sponsored by Muhiz Herbal Center, Dr. Mohammed Isa Bebiu, and our face, Gospel Caskets, Musika, and Amadi Apimiati. My little it's me, Eddie Abro. And that to that begin the week in some of Dawson, Ofia Ebinyamre, na it's to Nabasa, and it's COVID-19. A lot of institutions, second cycle institutions in the country, and are recording cases of the novel coronavirus, Yareno ABA. So far, and graphic reporting about the 10 schools in the country. But then, you have the information on, of course, there are 16 senior high schools, and the novel coronavirus, Yareno. The National PTA Council are calling on the immediate closure of all schools across the country. Only secondary schools near GHS Neveya, Abino, and Tum. Ebenamre, Naye and Komoyensa, Ebeka, the Ashanti Regional Secretary for NATS, Repta Watching, and then Ebedin Command Part 1. Afi, Yaba, Yabesa 12 for train so COVID-19, I say. Secondary schools no now move here and the electoral commission at the advance the various senior high schools no say from the 18 years no register the NDC akasa say there be we no illegal and again almost say enkwala go school a saa dey wenti and na man go school so ban say ma wo for emum school mu emehwe mu ma omokora na omwo ofra no but then mama pan say the security agencies, the electoral commission staff, and the Ghana Health Service staff, and Guskumo, and register Canada, Omone, Abano, and Adivinamre. Now, yet to me, Edinon, Sohon, and Como. Enra, His Excellency the President of the Republic, still in his 14-day isolation, say, after say, or you will be on COVID-19, coming to contact now. Enra, His Excellency, a virtual meeting with communication team of the NPP. Assemble upon the atom say, follow the various protocols. Aside that, so no, say before call radio Soko TV, so when you be a now, Emma Ghana for said the Ghana city, and Sana, Ebejakunya, Mobile is almost a Ghana, Ghana for Ghana for say, yes, indeed, they have performed better than that of the NDC, John Dramani Mahama, tenure of office. If you don't ready, you won't come and say, you want any His Excellency not of Ekano, and Kubum Sana, saying, and and then the Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, and so over the weekend, of course, the National Chief Imam, Sheikh Nuhu Shalibutu, now, of course, now the Okanyana said, yes, Sheikh. Yes, I will say, or running mate to the President Akufo-Addo in the Sheikh Empire Evermano. I know now, Dr. Bawumia said, Bassa Ghana under NPP, Zongus, what's your mission? Mina, or Mediso, Zongo Development Fund, or somebody about Ministry, no, or Mati, or see me, a pound who in Zongus, and I hope we see no toilet facilities there, I don't know, a bushel, Zongo communities. No, the reality, the home come up. Nebuza said, wow, Chizunguno, Salatiana, have you seen an improvement in your lives as a person living in the Zongo or slums areas across the country? And the Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, Sana was Ubuma, a very now to me at home. As I speak with you, 15% the Ministry of Transport at the to just the transport unions able to me at the account charges on. Anya Juma, 30% and the knee, Aya Juma, you know, because across the country, the Biafra Faka could be an Yatutum. It's all for car. Now, driving, you know, and I meet Nikajo say, Yatumwa, then I said, say ya aban e na ro afọ na aye say say de ni fuel no go koso na mo so matetete number of passengers omo fa no so no ho be hia so betimi atum kakra eno so nkomo o fi ha be nyamre na yetumi di and some of those e be nyamre di nkomo that say the Electoral Commission of Ghana etumi abomaden I central for mu na the number of issues and amode atuja almost say oko police station to register certain times ya kan na ya na politicians no be say bia mu so omo nyasa na buru bia nyasa so say the electoral register no you have no right to get the card no say o hwe ne ID card number ni din na telephone number yisi esisu gina say saade no a political parties no eye no in trap fakwem enya bra kwaso no nti wo na ko register card no ye wo dia omu ne ho kwan so mbeje wo card no atre it particulars and those things no easy abechim na Electoral Commission say so far after say ended the phase 2 of the exercise no over 4.4 million Ghanaians eligible voters and the omo register mo nyam Ghana card ti wo no enya nu so a ebedu so we are one so e bia to no so a you can go ahead and register hon komo e wona almost say some centers go ha omo delay go ha be na say machines no na dey crack that some centers na there definitely they are going to extend the dates for those centers no but centers are not going to be in one day there likely say more papa one because the date will not be extended and non so komo e wo fia na owura same wuku the national organizer for the ruling New Patriotic Party, Elswakasa. See where? Okama Ghana for inactive. Say under his leadership, not a hope for modern Bahobono, what they compare NDC Biano in ye. I say I said Wakoto, you do, and I say, Wakoto Buyan, no being so, Akoto Lampusan, and Famokra, to compare, and I say, a be and so, and then the Electoral Commission aside you say all the technical challenges are a war registration or more try so meeting resolve. But then they are also urging the electoral officers say indeed almost a move follow protocols, but most of them na into me and one home come up ever I say the chairman to me and an allegation from chairman to me and people say I chairman of the NPP. Say 48 NDC MPs are tested positive to COVID-19. Chairman to me the other na or why the NPP so they can one high balance or not FFF. But an NDC, I say 48, no allegation, but they are also and then fake NDC agent arrested at Kaswa also here. Now the Education Minister, Dr. Matthew Kuku Prempeh, also Akasa, an experience on after say the novel coronavirus COVID-19 or tested positive. Over you know, and was Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman, the NDC presidential running mate to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president. I say, Mameno Mubakaya in the year 2012, not on OMC at the IEA. I say, Mameno, they will keep questions. Eddie Emma Dramani Mahama said, the Baya, obey any ministry appointment. Interesting. But himself, Kojo Konkroma, also once upon a time, was an MC. He's now a minister of state. Politicians, when they speak like this, at times looking on one, or then Tiasi, but then, and also the other Abba, and no, not to buy a casa. See, a soldier for a voter and said, here, is it here and yet, a bear and for in your moon flu. Yes, and I as a voter for, I say, you know, crack beside the day. Professor Abel also said that when that I'm a baby one, and more man, and more cry, Timan and Trefi, Nabiama, Intimate, and also. So far, testing of COVID-19, Yareno, Ashasi, some of the schools are matters positive, Ghana Health Service, let's say, on mobile test to now, Nema, Etmia, 14 schools, and I record the novel coronavirus, Yareno, so, now, Yareno, quite an impact. Reno air quality and said the AC air corner. I was young, and we near to name a hydrant. Medical, we are seeing now over the weekend, I ever on Friday, now you're 12 million. And they globally 13,127,189. 13,127,189 cases, and they are recorded globally. With deaths 573,180. 573,180. Nipa mo no mo 600,000. Busia nipa wo and ye kan sa no. Omo recover is 7,640,004. And omo recover. The one thing I want to say, Donald Trump, the country, America, and also LED with 3,438,025. Only yesterday, 24,030. Nenya already be 24,030. Nenya already be US of A, with 137,871 deaths. 137,871 deaths. And they are recorded US of A, followed by Brazil, then India, Russia, Peru, Chile, Spain, and Africa. So far, South Africa, it was South Africa. It's 276,242, and I already be South Africa. 276,242, and I already be South Africa with 4,079 deaths, and I recorded South Africa. Italy, 14, Saudi Arabia, Twaso. There, but I say, woman come from Yareba in China at the 23rd position. Yareno Imu with 83,602, and then so yeah, I did my Shannon sir, Opa, if you are in Ghana, Yankasa, Yama Concron, Ghana, we are 55th of this pandemic records. No cases, 24,518, 24,518 cases, and I recorded my Ghana with 139 deaths. And one also every the disease, the virus, is real. But in the bit me, I have even number now yet me at the home and common National Council PTA for Sevilla schools no closing it down. Saying NICT and in Nigeria say there be certificates and yan change the bank one. The name Frano and fee. Now Yareno echo from one almost to me acco. NDC COVID-19 team almost say to complement what we have in Ghana from the president and the Ghana Health Service. So say, Yareno said the AC air, but I'm not telling schools no, still one, almost that's why you schools no. I'm saying, say, BOST, say, Finance Ministry, Ghana Education Service, Ghana Ministry of Education, and other sectors go on. Yareno, if you are ya two adwuma omo ye adwuma from office obi a ma office adwuma mo ye adwuma from home not at office ada en ni Ghana school for the day you say omo entrance school say pa menu benya ni close down whole institution there FDS ni patent na no crop for money bi I say yare na yayi dia na me me bit me ayi na bit me see anofa that issue will be discussed here on Sinopi and Yevasida and for Emamohi Seba Center, and then God's Way Casket. So we are live on YouTube and on Samdakus TV, Facebook, Kumawood TV, and then other social handles. Nina, so we are live. Meet me at your it me so wash a man for so at me. Say on your mobile phone or app no quite with me at download the Kumawood app no. Now if you will be also what me at life. You try on and right back. We are for her, let's ask it. Now, if you are sassy, Eddie on issues are across our mind. Ever see. Yes, I am Ushafa Kaba, and from a Sinupi on Kumawood TV. Audience Rebra, in your ranking come on 0543 596 070 0543 596 070. Go say good skin any. Audience Fast by WhatsApp line, or the Bible Yamre, I can kind at me at the amount. Me the Michael, and I'm my boyfriend, Mr. Mike. Ye team come on and year now, 70 canon. Ye shall share with the COVID-19. Over 12 senior high schools across the country, and I recorded a really be Western Regional. Archbishop Portes in Science Senior High School. In Science Senior High School, I was in my East Municipality. Also, on my recorded a really be about 8 cases in one school. Accra girls I recorded be Wesley, Konongo, and then other narrow schools are also recorded a really be. Yeah, teacher for no, and Yamaki saying. Should we close down schools? And say, not as I said, now secretary, Peter Watting. More for fear. When you go, we have a I'm a fellow who said, I didn't know you, and I asked, said, Yamin, the money, yeah, I didn't know. Sure, for who be now, and I see a way of where we ye? Have a beer school. Secondary schools in the other said 4th weekly. And then the basic schools also know on 3rd weekly. Not for anyone to say, Moko Ramasa. I tell you for that, you have to say. That's nature. I'm a so when you say, oh, Lisa said, yes, you went soon, and now to one and it's what you want to say. Never say, you call one Padana, baby, school, just and yes, I said, you may go to nature, the Biamaka for, especially Ghana National Association of Teachers. Teacher for judge, and what we share my level. Who are no more. Sit down, your doctor. Doctor, anybody go. Let's sit down. Let me have a call. You're doctor, teacher. And see, yeah, a woman said, you be a school yet to an actually nuts on the side of nuts. Yeah, the kind I am a headquarters. My Nipako, Ghana half an engine region be also. Echo share say, a buying for shower, they might say, near my year. I reach Yama school. At Siana and Chapas will be here in Dina, a buy, I'm a yet to Sana Mona very soon. The yes, you shall the bottom, I'm in Quam, Manasum, Coding from Emra, Western region, and I say about 4 schools, our Western region, Yare COVID-19 or my recording. Yanko na many reporter, Kuntu Blankson. Our Western region, Tapari, Kudiko. Kuntutimeka, a Manuas in the hello, Kuntutimeka. Hello? Okay, transform, I think so. Senior, yeah, can say, not here. Yaman pay 40 in Ghana, region, Aqua schools, be a 8 or 10 sample schools, every say, any kind. Wash up company and the Ghana Education Service, the man say, near much say, nose mask and the hand sanitizers, Veronica Batas, very soon, you report about it. You try BBC Ashanti Regional. Region also on our part. You try seven colleges of education, say, maybe I was over to very applicable. You have one money and say, college be a Ashanti Region. Veronica buckets like a sea part 9 with 4 gallons of liquid soap. I don't know how many. Nuts, you didn't check school. No, say, what I know, some say, now for Abayachi. Abayachi, Binasu, and Kebina Padia. And I was school, classroom, dear anymore. Now, Veronica bucket Bakusio. Ah, his students in the PA, and I can be all over, and Sabe, one way home, sir. That's what I just abide there and here not in the school. It is a grand we are hearing that he has a BA, KBBS and 9. In the college, Biano. So far, Agricultural College of Education and Westco. When 1 year in a person in the office. And what you know, basic schools now and secondary schools now. You have for 100 pieces of Veronica buckets with 100 gallons of liquid soap. I be my schools now.
Kwamai senior high day secondary school. I will not want to watch it before.
I'm going to say yes, I can do it. Kuntu, what's your hello? Okay, tell us one.
And here, the coaches school now, you won't say, yeah, I bet you die. Until say a school at the Suyanadi and the Charity. What get from Senate as a key stakeholder, you have what they said, you bet you be an answer so before the matter. Sinura, then to be near corner making I also say, the answer we asked you, a woman, I actually for they contribute to the sustainability of the union. It is a BBI, the very kind. That's why I say school for one anywhere, church in Sana church in union of soon. It is a tenant, one because so what I'm saying.
Yet, the true your social media handles, so said, you know, we one question the teacher need be a day by said, oh, by Musa Pan and need a ditchy pan. They said, government has of my teachers. 3 of the usable nose mask, reusable nose mask. Moko rounds no teacher for no money and train and I said, what's the reward?
I'm said, do one no. Baby, I saw a safe colleges. Your students no brand by now, you and son and chief, back it was never. Sana church for the Sunapa, you know, and son and chief in the Alcoba. The Nina because of more whenever good. Nina as our son, you be screen. Say at 1 year used to that. I was a church for apart from say for a man to also say a church for. Yes, we are gonna for one. There be a man, Sabuti, as a model, Mojana and Nanum, you good to Mia, my demand. Yes, we are Mojaka credits about some one yakwa. My poker says some woman and yakwa. It is our grand graveyard, what the way, send the audio cut one of one. It is our bind to be back, some people cross it to 20. That's when my and no wasn't a hindrance. And see a pint, dear say, dear Yanti and Poker. Sir, it's a my you know. Bosh and say, or the mayor Sunday back. Then so a young man as an idiot in Yayam, you know. The Kaya Diana, your own one. And that is how the teachers have been working.
Hello.
So what to say?
Hello.
Some schools are cases.
Hello.
Right, I'm going to go.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello. I think that we are facing a bit technical challenge on now. I feel good too. Yes. Mate. Says who's new recording cases. JHS one part, yes, and I'm so good for the BNT. More recording because very difficult to see. But boarding house, secondary schools. Matia, Abu Mwana, more reaction is in you.
But I say, Yati is in the young so says schools may be a recording. And they were Shanti Beijing and Yati now Greater Accra region so Yati. School food. And she says, ah, now I say, you're sharing your family, you're living a jabino. Yati passes secondary school, so now I won't get to another more. Now, me, dear Prince, I'm going to make one of them. On crying, you so when you're young, say, who won't come for an assistant here until what I have to say, where are you really? Nation, Bayafa. Now, by the word JHS, you know, testing Sema, Yeke. Until Bazana, my church for those and Suka crib, say it in the Macran, Sapran, the Matri, say India, on Zoo Chomako, the baby Dema. It's as a senior high school. Dodona war, my friend is saying, Waller, Edgewood. But junior high schools, no, Dodo send war Edgewood. The young grand in Amsterdam, baby, and I wanted to how can travel. Now, by every go secondary school, so. And the Sabi, you inquire, and I come I say, a bambooby, a yaba, sans of a share your book, chair, and pie ever first one, you ever boy on mine. That's why I enough where bitches are selling from my young. Oh, more dear, if your man are connected with Swati, also I don't know so dear to Niako, dear Nanda, sir. The how can cry a womb, a word you are a
social distancing, and say before protocols. More call around to schools, who said, of course, for every man. Oh, we're not dear. Should commend headmasters, senior house masters, and then head teachers at the basic level.
What was a new passage now? Near baby granny, to me predict how human beings should conduct themselves. No sociologist can tell us. But they could do a idea. They say one of the colleges of education, which I would not want to mention the name. Gentlemen who not from now one say, oh, or the
well, last time I remember I said, could do Lanson about myself. Who's what I car and what everybody? Western region, Boko, type of saying.
Mindy Kaima was just walk out Baba, Kumu TV. So, Western region, Tapadi, Boko, even though coronavirus, no, said I program. Not Ghana, you can't be now Western region, so you watch a cases, you know, who cases here now. Western region, brought 2000 a day. Western region, Boko.
Okay. There are some schools in the Western region, Archbishop Portes and Science Near High, and some other schools are recorded cases of this virus. And the rooms are.
You know, 72 years, dear, now we say now visa schools are. I bet you just say COVID-19 school of family be, and you be all Western region now.
Exactly.
Now, make sure more. Now, check me and I, young TSA schools will be and na say mama pay say and na more exams in no o ko baba wona want to enter exams no schools ni bi an kwara ni bi wo mu enya COVID-19 ni bi na ye pese e authentic ni no the chiben regional director of health Dr. Jacob Mahama and auditor just say no correct over secondary Takwari Metropolitan Assembly ha schools and 9 secondary Takwari Metropolitan Assembly schools and 9 and Lucian for hono ebinum enyebi schools no ebini Archbishop Porter girls and nipa bako enyebia bomo eye contact tracing we no sufriwa ahantama girls and also ho secondary Takwari and nipa bako a onyebi ama omo so ye contact tracing dia beni senior high and also nipa bako a bomo eye contact tracing and Adiambra senior high and also nipa bako enyebia bomo eye contact tracing. Now, we use our schools here. Schools are one more different districts, no. In Science Senior High School, is my east. Exim. And TSN and Kora students number 8. And a woman and also contact tracing air console. And school of the Kawa. Our Shama district, Shama Senior High School. And also in TSN and Kora Pakoya Bia. Before air contact tracing. Now, I was at the say, oh, your schools are my body. Oh, secondary Takwari Metropolitan Assembly now. We can have supporter girls, we can have Hantaman girls, we can have Benin Senior High in Adiambra. Women now, we better say they are an enclave. We free Bishop Elko Diabinino, we are all school. We free Diabinin so called Hantamano, school, one of your Hantaman so Elko. Diabinin school within enclave like I say we say schools are one bear so sano abanesela king omo enya enkwari bi eti nana say schools dey ne yakano na say contact tracing no ebe di akire na yo bi anso ire to kumo ni.
Okay, but some schools those schools na yare ni bi akoho parents ni bi about rescue no say dem go for come everyone na say they see wo Accra girls no.
Yo nana say we dey kan see wo Accra Girls Senior High School now before about any because en konkoli wo ma no. Say before etutu nyama no we no dey buy no before ashe about time no say wo mo dey under control with the problem. Na mo mo mbo nkwa na dey wo mo is secured na say 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 yo mo ka so mu jai nkwa won ni abata na ewa ufuma kofia say akwebu okra fo na say obi na say sia no bibia ensure na say odi kofia no enti o ma sure parent ne say nkwa na dey in good hands enti no ma tira wo mo nya wo tira ma mo na nkwa no so na dey hard ye ni say uba secondary Takwari ha school fo no especially secondary school fo no akwa say wo mo enyim de ekoso neba kwa bebe no mo no mo shema ube wo mo no mo shema fukwa ka o maka so na ana tete intrachene kasa ekoso am di ko school wo kra no wo me be school no wo me no hia e intrache say niaba no not normal time de wo mu no e no fa ban ne pese o mo tro mo exams na se ha wo ni from so no eno ti e no mo de tutuwa so wo say nkroni nyina ndo so eno kwanti ne pana ya for dey fo ni bi wo ya abodo mu nyina se be yo mu nko ke e kon time ba
meto kai ya asoden
Sama kwa chose
na me brother meto kai asoden na mo asode
good
in science in high school you know is one of the oldest school in Western region
yeah
in science one who say a TNT na man ko na nya yare bisa biblisa no
nana o say in science in high school eja o de yamya do muni mo yi pa yi enkwara no o say nde no hye ba na ba se kwara ni nyina no wo mo enkofi tisia na mo tisia no ye mpa me tu dia say akura we enye bi ase o de fiche de ba ye ana so fa no kuro mu ha nti tisia no ye so de kire ehwe enu say protocols no ene abodi fo hye mo no mo fa ni pedi ntuja but ye kire effect be dia say the source na tie because one say azim kuma kasa no cases ni bi wo ho azim kuma kasa cases ni bi wo ho a ye ken ono na man is na is figures no e console yi nti say ye hu say adele outside and one say inside one ma wo mo yare no eti senesa no eti ye guso ye ni pe fo kin komo enu say je beto de bia no nana wo fidie so ye beto so
okay right kuntu ya na say na wa hwe wuye my pa Western region why
na pata say
ya na hwe wuye my pa why
dana ye guso kakaka na mo so mo de mpa agba ta e chani kuma zifo nyina
dia do na nya mpa bo ya hwe ye pa na oso bia
ya te
right also for Kutu Blanson a reporter Western region and hotel in Kano that in science in high school no I'm say so far secondary schools have recorded the highest number of COVID-19 cases ever Axim Honorable Catherine Ablemafiku, member of parliament for Evaluate Major constituency or can know a tourism minister any day you're pushing on a alcohol finance senior minister in office as a minister of states. Honorable from Opening MC, what are you not doing right? That was my east. Together with the teachers are more in science in high school. Obey Menu and then Benjamin and Co. Madam Adiza, what are you not doing right when sign? Aman Kolano Ayarisano. I mean, it goes a bit tough for well, but now, yeah, protocols. Also, good this.
Oh, that's a job for the day. Said here, Ministry of Education with the Ghana Education Service and the Ministry of Health and the Ghana Health Service. Chile say, Yam Fasum Shema, Warano, a minister all those things are put in place.
And near man, I was said about a year sick bay, and I was said a baby rescues, a nurse or a health officer to each school. Moko schools need to be the Via Obiana. Say, the Milan could be a dear. Okay.
Now, who's what you can say there? Yes, I think I'm not making a casino. Why? Because schools never come as important. Do one agent. Now, I say sick bay cannot be built overnight. Maybe I may not quarry back. And yes, I'm correct. Good, you sume I got to learn so very now buying to me sick bay. That is
also only one room into Olankaya.
Almost there. The presence of a nurse will school be able to hear. Any idea, anything say, able to me, any. But you will school be oh, they are school now. Ghana, however, some man say, don't have a woman be to say, so to masses in important. Maybe from secondary school. If you are good way, sir, sick baby, Biniwa, over cancer. Who can I be to say, community day secondary schools? But the school is share. Could be other community in the check compound already. But here the over concentration won't kind. Massing the name is idea. Name person name can be. As I said, yeah, a sick day. I was senior high school. JHS school then was sick day.
Okay.
There are people in human beings. Oh, my life as a human rights activist I don't value the life of an individual over the other. Say here can protection for every Ghanaian. We must consider the individual concentration of protection. It is here can say secondary schools in this there. And me Anna and Kama say yes, secondary school name
say Wasti. I'm watching you live from Fijasia Sokori. Please ask my boss for me. What incentive is there for we the teachers who are on the front line? Any incentives?
Incentive, SF union, no one, and say free about was a question.
Definitely be free about one. More represent say
the teacher who is a member of NAT.
Do you official
no friends say no himself you're not
sure.
And if he is talking about incentive, I don't know if it is from that of NAT.
Okay.
You so I to near say nose mask, you been a customized one. I ever connect in EBR where I actually hand sanitizing. You bet me, catch say even at the regional level. But me at Mako 100 Veronica Baketa. Training colleges, remember 32.
Okay.
And
what
government then they calls for negotiation. Almost
negotiation.
Maybe to be in case as a politician, but more as a
represent teachers.
Good.
Have there been any negotiations?
Yes, over the years, no, we have been in constant relationship with government on issues. Since opening, your teachers are virtual exams. Just prior to the corona issue, one of our prior factors was to ensure, say, they were put on scale and paid accordingly those who were successful. Ampa, Yamia Dumiaka, Abaya Tuabeka, Abena scale. Baby in college, Abakoya National Service. They have also started with being paid. Until never a year go by any man, a year laid down processes are yet for negotiation. But Semetina see ye, there is no be obisa say, Sabria Church from Swabe, more or less quasi frontliners in the treatment of people in this COVID-19 area. And no, I cannot sit here right now and say, yet many are Bayaka. It will be in bad faith, negotiation level. That is what we say. We never.
Sir King, I say, good evening, Sir Mike. In fact, I enjoy your show and I'm enjoying your line of question. Please ask NAT Secretary for me, what are they also doing to ensure we benefit like the nurses and frontline health workers are benefiting?
That's
and I think
nobody in here can say, see, and the BN
teacher for the nurses don't be
yeah,
but I see more teacher from benefit, more sorry, more quantum of just now. So I buy air now, so say 50%. Chamanis say 50%, their money or sign adjutants free for 3 months. And the teacher for the buying better some good school. One can say be a monster for some, one down and the camp. I'm saying I'm a good decision.
Yeah, the power will say Ghana National Association of Teachers employee only government payrolls. Or not payrolls. Demand what is as can be. I buy not my phone, maybe now my money. I'm an employee of Ghana National Association of Teachers. So I'm in issue and a symbol. But the point is, the point is say, oh, say, and yet I soon be. I'm happy to hear the sort of say, school my man. And I'm buying to me so near the coffee. They are not buying to me so as I by school. And see, Sanchi will only age in us to say, a job by ye, Yakoya, one for Yamba, Yabai, a church of being more about quite game. Or say, Otia, never can for any day. And she said, what only Yari, not Yarian, betting the home. This is a church in Yaria, and just say, only. That's one required to check in test. I'm
watching you live from Seshi. I'm a teacher as Bebieni Senior High School. Please ask the NAT person for me. Do they think about us? I think this message there.
No. Say, Sabria, those days, no, unionism in this country was to some extent characterized with militarism. As a this time round, where we are in an era of your friend saying diplomacy and intelligence. You need to be very diplomatic because say I'm the life of the teacher. If we don't care, how are we going to ensure say the teachers are constantly paid in the midst of all these issues?
More school because Microphone made more pot. Ghana form made more pot. GRA for it is a mono man go school what's so good here as the Minister of Education can.
No, and the other minister on that line, no say Ghana Health Service doctors team back on say Babe more hospitals, their lives have become so perilous. It's as if the young man is a very young man. Sana young church also so. You bet to me after yes, natural by say, who can't see young school when you never come to still I am 80 years. The life of an individual is an inalienable right. We have political rights, economic rights, and the rest that the state constitution will make provision for. But the right to life is not for anyone to say. We will not leave just
PTA for lastly, maybe a final one. PTA for say. I come on the schools, so that I has a ban and also yet to schools. Not for no.
Me, who is a messiah, the medical will me a hasty conclusion. Hasty conclusion, they say. But I can't go to school where Bible soon. Until you can send to school now, but I'm refugee. But for the year soon, the 2 million on a year. When I got to school, you live nearby, until if it had been conditioned on the premise, say, then you're running in a screening and send up about media that I can personally subscribe to.
Which is not possible.
Which is not possible. Until me, a friend ran and said, Cecilia, Bemra Fiera, Beba Fiero, you were doing a comabana. Until me, one day I come and say, but I is even soon Tiama before the 2 quarter of Roman and John was over one. Say, I never do what they are. Some was who said you, until the non who said. But I ain't what the coin. Nessa can I
be around the Beko school more. Now the Bako do school. I couldn't read. Well, parents don't have a beacon because a Korean were fit. Maybe I will be the so be the debut. You.
You are open the coin.
Okay, we will until on Bako you so. Definitely, it will be a Bako you be. Sample and also portray them. So, how about here? Let them do it. Me and trade. Also,
I don't speak for government. Because I said, maybe by your opinion, me first born or Notre Dame Girls Secondary School.
Okay.
My second born, I was divine Montessori for a year. Until we were 2 examination classes in England, what I remember. Near I hear and say, Yenina Gan Higher team. Maybe I make case to say. I say, you know me only yes, Ghana. Our 4, you did come back and say, I might see you go school. Young walk is answer a percent of big work. The Ghanaians were quick enough to say, teacher for young school. Now, better than a buy a post of Jacassa. And the Bashar was say, so I find the way you know before my therefore, I find the book from Yako.
I was a look as all the mass test.
Mass test, no, but economically it is improper on to me. And also, yeah, one year because I judge for what you minister can't say, yes, young school. Finding quiet Madame Francisca in Japan. That was not the case. Maybe fair income tax. Teacher need your income tax. It is the income tax of the teachers, the income tax of Ghanaian workers, which is put together to pay and do issues on behalf of government. And yes, sir. Well, but all in all, the American said, let's show for. Sir, in Quran, say, you're the back here. Walk on himself by one of the M's a yacht now. That's about to see. But one in your pa. Am I really so become a boy? Say, the mayor, I'm a young school and for him. But being very much passing. I don't know. Many young ones was America, so I for what you didn't do. Dear Dan Bokabi. Me, I just for them the Baku school model, and no Quran being young ones and baby. I would have put your baby such a thing, dear one in the church on panel. And so, you want to be another young kind of me. The air can say, yeah, Charlie, yeah, maybe I can say, I did check what was out the Catalan. I brought away oral English. Teacher didn't know the name, all can stretched all can. So, those in Piano, they can say, and then my Quran with the correct pronunciation. Say, I teach a nano. Just to encourage the children and motivate them, say, the task ahead must be worked towards. I said, the church one of them in Amudia, now, there you say, fear paralyzes development in every sphere of human life. So, everyone, I didn't be anyone here also. What do I so show them now? If you head from the prepared, William should say, how do you get that one? Simon they feared going back to write the actual examinations. Now they are afraid of their colleagues. They are afraid of their tutors. They are afraid, and they are going to be afraid of the invigilators. Until you are afraid,
Then can Nigeria for other West African countries no eh say so very the moon here say the bangwa.
Yeah, to me, Ghana for your dinner said yes, Yama, baby, why Yaman Fibi, I see him send Binom and Yaman, yet in Nigeria. Nigeria for when they say they will go towards that. Okay, but rather, I actually mean one. We have been quiet, this one been quiet, and air concern.
Repeat was Ashanti Regional Secretary at the Ghana National Association of Teachers, NAT, and then think on COVID-19. The outfall was this year. Odo sakota bro aduane so ka so wi musa e bia na bro no to 20 a na so wa yen so wudi so do dia brewa de kakra ene abro ni kola ya dan ya no a later by September 10th na omo wi school ye mo pan pan to mo chi na in opportunity bia no a ye ntu omo fo se omo hwe mu yi nyambe boa ama omo atwe dams no abefia so di mu omo nya bi so de enfam pai bo entachi o so re anpa enchiri bi na pensu shi bi na fagum ntutu nimra fa pun wa ho tibi ko mu a mo cha na vesa no maye na mo so mo atom yebi na yiti mu a yetu o mra robita e be dase se o ba yetu o ba e ba benifo a e be nambre na yetimi di enkomo so e ba robita wa ti se o be tan ba right you Right, yes, I am a Fakaba, and from a Sinupi on Komo TV, Aseda Enko Enfa Emma Dr. Muhammad Isa Bebu. Yari be a hobby and a Busia, Bomode Nekopuna Kachi. Adeyana ya, and it's a Bema for Bema. Nanso Untimio Mema Sem, Enfa Enudi. The Carabone also Bizumina, if you are not assuming Musasia, Bema Mema Sem from Pa, Unya Drew, na Unya Ubia. Mudru no wa betumi aboa pa asaso na siare no na ha wo no da wontimi na stroke bi enso active de watompa so a o ma den na bra kuma se odium ahoma so do me abra ho na Dr. Penny Dr. Muhammad Isa Bebu owo amandru ahwe kama ama ho etimi ato 0249 616937 0249 616937 friend na onye oso odisi bi na afiri mu na ope ifadaka edeno atum de efe de yeye amade no nyamhye abere bisia no anaso ope ambulance na de afa odisi bi efi mochi edeno agopi mu ewo efie na de akowi ewo omsiye ope video coverage de ama wayi anaso wedding bi ana ope besia na ede asie odisi e wafiri mu na di aye na ya God's way caskets aba e de ma ene de ho na eni ba do ni na ko de yo fa se don e de ko na ko dia daka efe na e da ko jam e da ko sie no kra eno ti ya wo hwe mi fi Ghana bia no wo betimi aba Kumasi labor runabout ho na God's way caskets aka che no ewo fa na ka bia no betimi anya bi e de ma it basically also that could be a copia, Yano Shady. And one is we're free, that's what I'm not too so bravo, Fantino Town, a labor runabout 0243 737 457 0243 737 457. Nafi, it's me, Adoso. Mr. Yafe, or Amium, Yachel, and anyway. Right. Chairman Inusa, a Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NPP, and then Regional Coordinator or Director at the HEFRA, Health Regulatory Facility Association, right? HEFRA, or more licenses, and son between a pharmacy, and now hospital or clinic, and a license. But in case you know, and a Tiano, the facility and the about. Na hena nko ya kinya police ni dawo tawa kwa ba
sewa kenya
ntade no wo mo pa o
nga ta say
ntade no wo mo ni na so ni dawo abana ye wo
me pacho amomo ni de ye pa ba
mamu no
pa ya mu ni ye
ekoyi
pa obi a otima mu ha o ka se enkoyi ni
okay
na te se onu na on pese o ka no on se ye wa ya me surufo o krum ha omo nyina omo kabi se omo idie ko yipa nti omo paibo etai na kufa doji se benye 4 more years to do more for the nation
perform more Ofata Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC was making free no of I want to be of Ababa
Nuga ejozo ebisi
boko die
ba ya banka ba guminsa o se bisa mse boko wo hia no ofie na banka ba no guminsa wo bisa mse boko ba ma ne so won se ma ye tuntum aho kire kufu ado dia ba wo ma we mu aye pa yo ho ye hu ye ho asem eno ni mama ni huni ama ye tuntum ene bansa esu bobina wo mum sika baka bans akufu ado hye wo mu bo se me de ba mamo wo mu bobina no eno ho ama ni huni ni excavators a wo ma wi aswa ye aso wate akwa no akwa no mu wi excavator mana no makoton no was aswa ene bia wo se ya che no manson kwanta ahemfo ene so ni mu no manya call from first house say akwa ni yenya no na omni ni ewo ena police come almost my ahemfo ni say kwaye ni de eye wo mo dia kwaye no yo mo dia kwaye no suntu no mo baaye etu we eni aban ni hweye anom de bre police commander
Right, even come my Benny say, Numa Wayan, and on telling some about Monk myself. Now, and now I'm compare. After going to why you might attain the John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency Vice President. Someone on COVID-19, anyone from about 3 minutes. I say more national youth organizer, a campaign in schools, or by a single amount, yeah, and school, and school for left and then COVID-19, the EC, restrictions as a way in schools, and issues are. Yeni one of the better mysteries after the Mumra on Benin morning walk. Was this your bossing on Benin?
Samai, Milasi. Na Minuani Yana Bisan said, Wupom to say, and all the apple and in Chinese Anna. Oka near Aya Oka de Biara. Sami and Luhon. And some now can say, soon I have oh, one year some car now I can say, oh, Samai, Midasi. Me pum ye. Then moving near some big car. Now ya twas. Oh, Yaminim Efa Nanabi, Nensam no from his own mouth, he was not campaigning in the compounds, in the campuses. What must I say? Or observation. And I know NDC follow because some of the campuses to just see to it that the recession processes are going on well. And this 4 years. What am I saying? Even to the extent that orally, say they were lying, say one student has gotten the win, and this 4 on. Nobody said anything about that. But Nanabi Diano, Omu Okoyano, now Adani said he is campaigning in the campuses. He didn't gather the students and say anything. What am I saying? He spoke when everybody, including the NDC members, were there. The agents of the 2 parties were there. The electoral commissioner and commission and staff, they were there. So Yanfani said, it has been done. Even on voting day, some of the senior politicians, they come around and then they vote and then they greet the people that are there. It's illegal.
But this is for some of the easy for court because the only school one illegal.
So right. Oh, NDC. I told you, time without number. They are facing up to the defeat, a massive defeat for the second time. Wow. Until almost point Pia almost first Bia, not almost started su abra, Obian Yamo, a strong in your mind. No almost started su. What was it? Send a bear a bar. Obeka say anything, then we lose. They will lose anyway. And they know that. His Excellency, the former president, he says that Mahama bought NDC onto his packet, knowing very well that he's going to lose 2020 and that he's preparing, others are preparing for 2024. We have the evidence that Mahama is not even in the picture for 2024. He can't win 2020. JJ said it. He is a former president of this nation. He has ruled this nation more than any other soul of this republic. He has ruled this nation more than any other. Our information chairman will be and this is not by Onwa NMD NDC by. It is our say NDC cannot win power in 2029. He is not a joke. A woman said, a woman to say NDC communicators, babies with chat it. They go around insulting the old man here. Now, no, or no other pattern, and that's the idea. On the pattern chain, or more, Musa Mudo pattern.
Over born some and this is a monthly and near maybe I see on the registration of these students, not say according to registration centers, but they easy acting. You see, on that course, no, and they didn't write. Well, cast my idea, yeah. Someone to answer court or something.
NDC is going back to court, Abra court to see. You see, I was say it's about time. I was say you're serious. Our name. What was it? I was say you're for Ghanaians serious. NDC doesn't respect Ghanaians. NDC as a cool or move for any day ever Ghana for. Or move Ghana for. If he said, and no matter who you are, they insult the intelligence of Ghanaian. The court say, oh, and a time where we be, or Biani Hall, or Obefa Sambia, I ever found easy on
Sir, as someone are not here come.
See,
but now, yes, the police station here.
Tell me, they are going to do everything under the sun to disturb the EC from going ahead to organize the new register. Number one, Omusi, EC did not have any machines. One cram machine beer by one kind. Me know what in our studio have. Omusi EC and cram machine beer. That mean Momi Kase say that you don't have idea. Who knew the difference between machine for and machine data? Because all the machines are the same. The only difference is that the new one has a camera for the facial recognition. But don't buy a machine near the same thing. They didn't know. No one the idea. Wow. NDC communication or cassette. There is near only a simulation. There was no any new machine brought in. After programming, I have to educate him. Me my education. I'm who said those machines that they used to do the simulation. Ninja new machines.
Some minutes.
What was I saying? Until Mayanka, NDC and the registration, they didn't want it in the first place. Omuye Nyoma P. Ebimu Ekantam said that will not happen in this country. Some of them were swearing all around the radio stations and the TV station that it will never come on. It is coming on. I don't know one to look, very soon. So are you aware that some of them are buzzing people from the Zongos to different constituencies to register? It's illegal.
And this is
yes.
Oh, sir.
It is very illegal.
And this is also before the same thing.
Look, on one of them said, I shan't do it. Why Bentina say open so the MP? Wouldn't even say maybe a original. Then I will be loose.
As soon as we will lose.
Who be loose? And I will sorry say Uko Zongus. Now I call Franco for a different area.
I want to come some people for the free.
Maminka doesn't have information. I'm telling you, some of information now me want to be here. And can you be dreaming? Because on one microphone there is a different constituency to register. I'm telling you, you know me too well. I don't sit on radio or TV and talk like that.
Okay, get this one.
What am I saying? So now, so also what you go and anyway, you see the point. If NDC didn't want the new register and they wanted the old register, they should go and sit and allow us to register for the new register. Now control. Some do all register.
Right. And the word episode 18 come on CNOP. Financial and Brown 0543 596 070. Number no and a boost screen and wait me WhatsApp. Afaso na it me I can carry amount. I said that and from Municipal Center and I feel so now. Goes with casket so so yes. Chairman Luisa and I'll tell you. Manuko Father Minty or most see the also secondary school registration. The Anabi, Anabi said one for a campaign, and now a court, but say at least chorus, and I'm good interaction. Thank you.
Dana for young father. Now, chairman, the bed channel. ye chiriko ko ni man ye chiriko ko anye ne man ye ni ma enti me correct no because osuya because ono ni kasa mi ntimi nka to watini aka we kran wa ya ade but ye correct section bi no ko ka bi ye chiriko ko ane ma na ye ni ana ye registration na me oppose registration na ye na and just registration no apaso ya faka na sichi kwan so e chinchin Supreme Court for agene amomo ni MPP adwena be ye pe
no.
Oh yes,
that is way
you know correct. Kevin Taylor catch them and me no say me patrol
my viewers comment my guest no even the key on the show no
Kevin Taylor obi on the source of information ebe kan na na Akufo Addo afafon afre Supreme Court Chief Justice catch and say one nyam make sure say obema NDC adi nkugo because 2013 na you call Supreme Court no you odi4 it one so tell Kevin Taylor pa what he say upon Nkrumah abeye press conference I dispute that fact ko yen centrality say wa ti say we nya fact dey to television yen amafo tie what is so ma ba bontene abeka say eyen no kure enti eyen no kure say na do fafon efre anim yeboa Chief Justice and the master God verdict na wo mu ye no e baale ti jami dia pass also want disassociate yourself from it because only information bi na me wa wutimi enso enye me credibility na me so me won so efrim because me try chiro every hwe free first time in Ghana history a superior court of the land every verdict abba not 3 good hours both MPP NDC lawyers any judges being part or nipa na so empty judgment and I say and your mama who is centroni 3 good hours centroni ben anything in say go say asema Supreme Court to kind say no watch it take MPP lawyers NDC lawyers SA call Chief Justice Chamber asema no more ten Africa say they kind here party ni say be yadimia say be president about the affair and I say menkan ya she the thing say happen ye lawyer for but you didn't send me brave or my way my verdict in a bar. Verdict here and give resource ever. Next Superior Court of the land to make a try and say, on the 15th. On the 15th, no better the crunch of passes judgment. And I beg you, Mara, at the tour. Once you see what says here, Papa Yaka said, yes, here. Nayame get. Some people from Kazan, this phone kaya the own. More than what kind I want yes here. The court to the car say, my young fast assem we you call to the able. And doesn't mean say electoral commission said me or ya the full be and then running what said you 1 year and also want to mean court. Say your person be a registration center, your gazette. CSM 91 no. Actually say baby I have the market be as a registration center no. Your gazette na your political parties no 21 days 3 weeks. I'm why you prepare because electoral area be an registration area be no. I was a political party money executive.
I was special voting and this happened.
Na the area special voting. The ye. Who say Sebi o ma tun say Ghana fo nyina Sebi ejimi. Etu on the cartoon from mama ali afa na terasa. The ye a national registration. And yes special voting and yes special registration. Hwe enkwala na wo so mo ntre school mu wonye registration no. Obi free bontefu na baaye obi free ya mo so obi so free pianse na baaye enne wa ba register cars e yesu bi enti se wo wie school no ko fie kura wo say car be si wa ma na beto aba no abe yesu bi MP e de ma su bi info. Does it make sense? Center won tell hoda and brand so say e wo say wo tell ho wo address wo
I 3 years ago. We are always
when you residential you were school
when you border is a trading
as a let
us analyze the issue what trace school famous says you trading yariaba abanesa kolabia no kwa say we free school akofi some kola na mo do 18 years now Kenya mo dey
that's it all say your kasi was substandard abaya wa bon wo your fourth republic ni Akufo Addo abai na wo man ya centrofo bi a
ah matagi wo mo ka asem no a no mo fa de say de waka na ye fa na ntihwe yesi wo wa wo fu ma school no ho na na bi wo ye parent NDC polling agent we dey mean can people NDC polling agent na ye man ni wura school mo say ye be register kwada nti wo me supervisor no wo ye polling wo ye akwani parent NDC polling agent wo ba kwala no ese wo ma me aya wo no abanye ka to say ma parent kura e ma ho but ya ma kwa electoral commission on your parent NDC polling agent on your parent na be now observing progress and serve you in left and right bro won no ya man kwa for kwanen kwa na nkasa oh yes so when na be in left and right oh anka obe kai say akamba ekoi ema ehun ba asem ema amafo kan including one na be no mimi ya be 2019 PSHS started here no akamba ko northern region eboka brand so ko so bi wo mle kola ni
here registration centers and akamba ko execution
of head one will be even the president a call center on what is so ko gada kwara na center on anybody enkomo me but o misi fonse o man ha me mi o man ha me mi na just no fe na yes amafo towards I want to amafo twata amade ba obi a o enye fe me ka kire wo say NDC so esi wo electoral commission no yesu wo mu yenim pefe yende me ka mu yenim pefe say Supreme Court any court na ye dia kono ekosi aga but ye create ayina to am obi e with type of governance ayewo abanya what new rule of law nie you not be a note here I am mampani supervisor here am ye dia sofu nsia ekotu mu se fofu ni ya wedding ni yese wo so onye nipa 25 enipa ba wedding that say 26 and they ya jeli sofu no eni wo bia no ye wedding 4 good years each oba ni kunu eni asofo say o man zevo social distance na abai kro na the next for let me supervise am MPP aye premise Carlos Ahinkura etimi in the COVID come rounds and go for go to the cremation center so no cry o see a DMPP here ye dey enye no catch am say bin CBU sana dala mrati right go me ba nya bright as me ba mami fman me to mamsi
I'm interpreting concerning what you are discussing the students don't know the seriousness of the disease because I saw 5 students this afternoon after school without mask at Kodokrum. I asked them why have you people taken off your mask? They didn't say anything, but they put it back. So children have to be talked to. Araba de fit of the Abano, Zako, Polano, Omunia, Casapa. I said, good evening. The NDC is right for taking the NPP and other commission to court. They have no right to register the students in school whilst they have not gazetted the 121 day mandatory gazetting. Okay. And we see so if it is Legon and what they have right. Well, His Excellency Enra virtual was one of the communicators before ending come. So although I was listening there, but the best I'm back, I've been campaigning for 2020 re-election. Now, the Orana Yano Dawson, or Betty Ghana say, Mahama said, a baby, Jomoka, or Monka, no Konya, and the Omaka, the Omaya, was a Ghana for 2 months. One day, say 1 year, like Mahama. Right, but then what I'm missing on us. His Excellency said the record. Just 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Yeah. So Mike.
Yes.
I will say, yeah, Bahana.
Yes.
I will say you share the moment for you. You telling the listeners, say, you disassociate your citation from near Okano does not take the honors on you as a host to stop him and make him retract. He has said 3 things that are very dangerous to him.
What are those 3 things?
Number 1, he cited his source as Kevin Taylor. And to go ahead to purge that, Kevin Taylor told him that Nana Akufo-Addo took phone and called the Chief Justice, and he mentioned his name. It's very, very dangerous. Kevin Taylor is not an authority anywhere in this world, and he cannot be cited as a source. Number two, he has prejudiced the case the NDC has sent to court. It is very, very dangerous. And I am saying it here that to the effect that I did not have capacity as a resource person to stop him. And so I should be exonerated 100% from all his comments. He cannot say, sir, the case that is going to court, they knew they were going to lose, and they know the verdict already. That is prejudicial to any matter that is at the court or going to the court. So if he will not retract and withdraw, I am fully saying, sir, I do not have capacity to stop him.
Catch any say, Mudia on your video, no fan superior court to say, me or Fatami say, me believe no. And nobody can take my belief away from me.
Okay.
That intimidation now, or more probably as well. No, dear, any chance watch any person. Yet, two of you are it is only a proof of administration. And I want to mean Chile. When the judgment has already passed, judgment passing, we are. You have every right. Nana Akufo-Addo, a typical example, 2013 August. I catch the Ghana for you and say, already the case of court to say, Mama, and we are election to only. Yet, yes, I'm not there. In as much say, as some like a day and 1 year tomorrow, one person of a call review. What I allow, okay. What I allow, young car, when we cast my no refuge, your mama catch and say, Muya perform with refuge as a mountain. Memory, I will ask them to Musi was
as a man guess, let us use what we have to get what we want. The most important thing in politics is issue basis, and what you have done by propaganda, verification, name calling, and insult will retrogress the country. Let's vote massively to maintain free SHS and still keep the incompetent, desperate, and confused party in opposition. For more, to do more. OPK, right from Gosso, NDC can take the EC to the Hague. Still, they will lose 2020 elections, and they have seen what the free SHS final year students will vote massively for NPP. Okay, and also the Emilia from Aswanse, right? Good evening, sir. Mike. Kindly tell the NPPs to stop bragging. What have they done in these 3.5 years? They think we are fools. Things will change come 2020. Okay. What up? Organize what you want.
Me just me silo senka oni me eni etifu be ya dwena. Ne nkyere ba bi onko de. Nenso ka de me kase ma ya ye bia. Ada se obeka se nye nokure. Ana ono so be ka de o ma ye the same thing atoto ho. Ye nya ne mfo ba bia. Ye hwe health center. First time in Ghana Israel. Ghana ye wo ha sesi ye. Ye nya center etimi test DNA. Ne binsi Ghana da say woni akoba ya bi nyem kura ne ka cho say wona ne nyem na say ya ji say ye fa wo nsuo de ko South Africa ani akọ test ani e de aba enoko police hospital ye was center a testing ye won say John Mama ne yewura emisa tata ani nya sa center no NPP ye wo bia ono so ne ba ko amaka ono so nka ba ko forensic center e wo Ghana Police Service. First time in Ghana history, apart from Kwame Nkrumah, I dropped 600. Yetimi ye man ye MPP or Ghana be our office. I will drop 600. Yes, when I say drop over 600 offices, rooms, accommodations for the sitting MPs, parliamentarians, and their workers. A big seat that. Oma pene kufo ba ye no waji long kwa 3 so the year of 600 went me aye eye John Dramani Mahama administration and be ye first time in Ghana history NLM on say fidie bi wo ma first no so obi yare a odi ne ko hyem na ayi no mo yare ni nyina aba am ye hu say yare we BCD and a nipas mercy. For past 30 years, na ye ni ba kumpo e wo Ghana. John Mama at a Miss administration and the Bema ye makumaku 6. Mienu ko kwalebu, mienu ba konfo anochi yawo, and mienu ko Fian Kwanta Regional Hospital. At once makumaku 6 and ye dema ye. First time in Ghana history, on my way say, ye timinya Dubai, e wo kejetia. Kejetia na wo. First time in Ashanti history, yes have modern facility. We are on my facility no. Wo mama ye bi wo Kumasi, ye ka international ni ye ka. Na ye wo hospital a ye friend no, military hospital pa pe and wo Ghana. Do mama ba ye no si there bi. I see in Northern Center so, and what they are very bad. At the year, do over 80% completion. They be seated. And we'll buy a regional hospital. And we'll about 6 regions are now only regional hospital, including Bagatanga, Greater Accra. Kumasi Diane was a Rihanna woman to ye 30 yo. I will buy a brony bayenti. Omonia Santimaya in the year, woman to me and Prince Henry. First time in Ghana history. Na Akwada and the Kufuor regime 2008, 2004 ever. Na Ankwala Bako. Ebia Ankwala in Naibia Eti textbook Bako. Textbook ratio. 4 children with 1 textbook. And yet, Mama, Dramani Mama, and Jima Nana. As the minister, and you bet 10 no, I bet a collect of 4 textbooks.
Course adjustment.
Course adjustment. English, Maths, Science, and Social Studies.
Not really never.
A collect was our book to be about Mark. So for first also, say geography and Pala 4 letter back on Science and Pala 4 and a tone. First time in Ghana history, I community day senior higher with facilities near overwhelmed. Import car a carbon. It's in the building about over 75, 120 in various stages of completion. 75. Including Miami Bosom Train or Did not can you see a painting? I mean, the park to them. A good for by 1 2 probable ground, and to stand in the not to 1 many park to them. Standard the fact that maybe a piano, they are launching the TV, so they are a bad TV, so my no. First time in Ghana history. A big seat that she can to buy a interchange with what circle? Make a circle. Yeah. Kumasi nso na open so a yenhwe Tafu market yen this in Sanu Oduma yenhwe Krofrom you can say Afamasi market and papa ni office Northern Center MPP Northern Center one sa office ni bi no mo yie no mo team
market na musi
market na DCC ye was no uko 3 Northern adata na 3 Northern region for MPP omo odiri bi on the floor Ujina original pay or pan so ko ni kakabo sa brotana so eno bi no omo yusu atonsu heyi atonsu agu heyi atonsu heyi so no market na e wo no sa high school junction NDC in Sanu Adwuma na Tafo hospitals I can hospital uko Fomena uko Kumewu uko Konomo uko Tepa Nina about 13 in the Ashanti region alone.
No, see.
And I yesia akaka krebisi bewia abawe ba ye one to aso a won si ba ko nti wo wia me de me ka so si ba ko kra ono so ba kire ye de ma kan be do mo so asie wie enti say ye ka achievement first time in Ghana history NDC and ba senior degree a travel over 24 good months 2 good years
munyas ka say mo de
say more de me no kan nyina no NDC bosia ye boy nyina so be kai a nye kayo NPP for be ka kire ye say omo kono omo panikufuo eja ye 9 billion so kai ana omo kono ye so ye hand over ama na nakufuo adono na ye so ye di e ka o man die e ye 23 billion so kai Me pato kai pa.
I'm penny bele 120.
120. Who dem try dem say 23. 120. Say 123 dia. 120 gram gas. Who dey hear say 123. And then me no work say na na kufu adu nko a bosia wono nko a abo 145. And ono nko a dia wodi abo. And so some project America ni na project ayenya ye. First time in Ghana issue and this year ban ebetua sene span. Adima o man na ye we be and I say we be na ye tua na kufu upon na ye 2.3. Ye buy ye the page mu ko 13.5 billion. They need to my 4 count one. And then I bet ya police ni no agibia 2.5. Ye maswa na ko 13 million.
Single span na ka
Single span American. Single span na some American. First time in Ghana history. Aye buy. Modern pan na do so aba cha ye no. Ye kon ni jana na kufu ado dollars no 37. I know crowd there you can say there be yes.
Okay.
And then 58, 56, 57. And then me no can say petrol ye dey jana na kufu ado no. I was for about no more no. Na petrol ye one you can say 14 cedis. 14 cedis. A gallon. And then 24 cedis. And no crowd we that's it. And no crano, quality by no Yamia Roma, and so at it at Yamayan, and to the young family.
Okay,
me was not will be super incompetent. And about never catch as a watch it dollar, and the ascent but two. As you were done with him and super security. No way in the NDC administration. I a chimney mad won't go quarter. It immediately went to Foko Pura quarter, Echo Jim, and then the neck of what to watch. Opia Nanka Bruce, I was a Flagstaff House. MPP for Metro Mate Mimpo Flagstaff House. Echo Chill, first time in Ghana in Centroni, and can you free Ghana, but in South Africa say, or one won't buy. First time in Ghana is like, put Centroni to a cool by MPP as what now, give me one. See, I can't record it. Now record by record.
NDC and their tribal and now gender propaganda politics. Always sowing seed of hatred among tribes and gender in Ghana. Most of us are wiser now, and these dirty strategies will not work. Masaudu Bantima also right. Ghana cannot survive under 4 years of economic hardship under NDC. Let's give another 4 more years for Nana Bawumia to continue their fantastic job for Mother Ghana. Nana Toso. Regards to Honorable Efia Kutu, Agri Minister. Right, Taman. The opening no surprise me. There are 16 clinics, hospitals, Ashanti region. Security, issue of education.
Thank you very much. So, Mike, we are my dog. We are journalists. Uti ho ena obiti mu nchen ka ansama enim enye no kure that Ghana for listeners that cherish you.
Okay.
And instead of you to stop him, you allow him to rattle. Now let me take it one after the other. Number one, it is not true that NDC brought DNA testing machine to this country. That's a very big lie.
Okay.
So onima onkasa onimuchi efa ho na min kanchira no. Aha kuma sa ya Ashanti region. I'm not haya. I don't want to mention the name of the facility because I would have been advertising to them.
And you jaka we get say man bebe. So when to me a facility I let some from camera there for what? For the sake of the station you see no more you know fine. I give you because I private way you say
sorry.
But government assembly here.
Please. Someone advertise for that company.
When you like that when you go on the when you go make government.
Please. Mama, Bodino, my.
You see, Premier Diagnostics, I'm gonna get you higher.
A private institution.
Yes. I'm gonna get you. No. He said for the first time
in Ghana
history. That's not true. No.
Okay, according to what's happening. Okay, so it's
fine.
According to
now he's correct. Good. Now let's move on. He also said that Job 600. Wow, you know hearing says I'm not can. He doesn't have information. Job 600 was started by Nkrumah. Job 600 was neglected by His Excellency the former President J.J. Royce for 19 years.
Okay.
19 good years. When President Kufuor came in, they started renovating it.
Okay.
And he's well aware. So
why not we are commissioned?
Say a cat near or starting in the obey year, then near NBC.
Okay. The 600
now, or see, there was no MRI machine. MRI machine. Or no, see. On the look, MRI machine was in this country since 2008. MRI machine. 2008.
And facility.
Oh! Me I have not changed my jersey to NDC jersey.
I am
just right.
What you say?
You see, there was MRI machine in this country since 2008. How call it? Now textbook now we see who be sign question. Can also who make sure say what you know I'm for in now say near all can hear true as a movie, but who be sign on Yano, but woman. He said 4-to-1 textbook in an issue. Who be sign say call subject and I'll say Annie and I'll see social science, social studies, mathematics,
English.
Science and English.
Yes.
And I'll see now Colaba could be a Gina book be one. Now Colabia will books in Makumaku 4. And the Bakubaku 4 now all Chinese say Colabia was science book 4. And so study 4. And so then you should have said that Colabia
now if you offer English book, Colabia me and the better one English book. Say na Colabia Kubiano and the Mahamata no Bakubiao. The 4 books no. Colabia Kufia with a mass English science, social studies. So
wait a minute. And that one is not even true. And you're not correct.
Okay.
I have gone through secondary school. From Form 1 to 5, I haven't seen a textbook.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Oh,
but I didn't do it in a different country. I didn't go to the school in different countries.
John, mentioning to me, I say, a 4 year, but you say school books, anybody is not true. Because I'm Colano. You see that, but no, truth, the idea of family country. A Colano will be a school, and I will be a good school behind himself, and the bar, every fear, or the books here. If you are at the bar, some English books beyond my own. But I also said that I don't think that
no problem. For the sake of my time, let me go. Now, he also made mention of dollar.
Okay.
Or control. When Muhammad was leaving, the dollar was 4.2 to the city.
Thank you.
He said 2.7. It is not true.
And then you say.
Number 3, he was talking about. In fact, sometimes I feel too bad to have NDC as a competing party in this country.
So, Tama, what have you done as government?
Thank you very much.
Sir,
$1 yes.
Please. Tell us also.
We are host that.
So I sing no crack. And what my figure into my name.
Number 1, everybody in this country is aware that free senior high school has been implemented by this government, including Wafata or Tukwai. So our big back out of South State no quality we could be free. Airports are on about well, everybody is aware. Number 2, one district, one factory. He is fully aware of the factories are here building from scratch, and he's aware of them. And then the other factory.
Factory in the middle.
Samai. Saunim Nasa Obisa. And Yasam. What must I say? Unim Nawasa. That's the point. Now, when we say one district, one factory now, we have admitted that it is not all the districts that has gotten the one district, one factory yet. But even some of the districts got more than one factories.
Okay.
It was if you are going to talk about compliment now, and not be ashamed.
Okay.
But our promise was one district, one factory, of which we are still delivering. We
have not fulfilled your promise. And
let me say, we are still delivering. We say we are still delivering. Very soon, we will deliver it complete to Ghanaians. Because Ghana for here, Ghana here and change NDC4. And yeah, idea you have it in us now. You are trying to throw. And I think we go for organic ginger factory. It was started from scratch. Yeah. So, opera, mess any information. It's a one tissue factory. It's a one tissue factory. It's a one
organic, you know.
If you want to show it, it's here. From scratch. From scratch. You see, oh, the name is there. Can't you see? Organic ginger factory.
Organic ginger factory.
Number 2, it's a one tissue factory. Number 4,
tissue factory.
The Boise palm oil processing factory. Number 5, Kouman Machine Resource Factory. He knows that. Last, Otanaha Cafe. Number 8, I only took you and I took time to discuss and turn out but you interjected in more than 5 minutes.
But there's a more than
out of the 30 minutes, you took 5 minutes interjecting.
What the best 7 minutes? Everybody was in the group.
But you took 2 minutes of the 7 minutes. And he took 5 minutes.
Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Alfred.
Good evening, Eric. Makata Wasafa.
Yeti Ofitaka, Eric.
I'm Pacho. MPP Lino, my house, the one. I can't say, Nifasa, near anything in a can books and employer who school, Nipa 4 years. Near the mountain or kind of MPP Lino, Nifas. I can't say. You know, I'm MPP in the kind of bye-bye.
Okay. And I say, hello, good evening.
Hello.
Lower the volume of your TV set. Now you're telling me, Paradama. We are your friend.
No. We're trying to touch one.
And I see you with man. When you enter with the man, Kasa. Oh, but now the volume of your TV set. Near what you want from near town. Good evening.
Yes,
yes, we are your friend free.
Oh, we're trying to touch one.
Yes, you.
Baby atta.
Yes, you, Father.
This is the facts. Was never dear what could be an answer or Marcus and 1 year and so but to be I be shaming how we live the side. As your mind in Yakos be a evening. There are piano and would you want to see? And then, Mama. Personal, young boy, get it here. What a case that project is also. What is it? You will take it, and yes, right now, it's your mind. Oh, professor, the beer education. Many because I'm getting me out secondary school. I can't have no education, you know. I saw. I said, "Madam, that's you. Listen, what is that? And some man will go pack up and son. Because hello. Good evening. You're going to go from Gasaki was
Go from interview as a perform.
The no master the media need now me NDC pa na me president ka me NDC na o to go ina go o fact pa na se ma o pen na no we pa na we na go na NDC for the o ni ka o ni o mo anu na wo ko ka bi ati fi we why there what is the offer. Good evening, Minia. You're from Coco for Asinfo Central Region.
Welcome to you.
You're money with my pa, Mobo, Ghana, my acronym. In Chakesiama, MPP, Penino, or Tihono. So, as an honorable candidate on the point in Chakesiama over Biovia. Minia, my main cabin infantry NDC. Or President Kufu and MPP may see, medium Yakolao. But me buy in the man you know I'm a business President Kufu any president and I've done Kufu Abuam my Ghana economy. I'm penny Kufu buy and now in the school. Or the boy may the year JHS any primary school free and my young color it will be. President Akufo-Addo about the free SHS about which SHS I'm penny for review on my kind cooking. President Kufuor health insurance and buy men and Yarasa to local hospital man who told me which is a president happening for on my Ghana one district one factory.
You're not the name for it, Lipan Dawson.
Good evening. Good evening, Zawai. The chap of Papa, the chair of my castle, the mission of Natama, the Sunafrica, the chairman. I'm there to send a note of a show. We have facts of a Tadia Google, Amagama, from Metino. We are not from Finano, or both for Tabaso. Because MDC France never read the Shakata. Let me your fast and snake Yakata. And then I make you for the bear, let time I can't in the breeze. Now, come here, we will be that case sweat of black dark. Last Wednesday, the make you for the person is sweat of black. And you know, last Wednesday is your turn. Black fire. The video will be. Put him there. And you know, I'm not wanting the papa.
Okay, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening. Okay.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Would you have free?
Good evening.
Would you have free?
The president of problem. So,
what's the friend?
Pacho, the Catholic, I can't not have
Yes, you.
Pacho, don't know the Kaka, Muhammad Dubai. And I'm so soon if you didn't kind of so soon we now see in India. The Muhammad by Obano, my Mahan. We will today is in any kind of cultural and I think you should be federal education quantity to they are coming in when we got the everybody no member the share number boy and more than aqua.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Of course, we never free. About you never free. Okay, also bet you have 020 603-602. Hello, good evening. Hello. If I tell you what you want phone, TV no so why? Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, free.
That's what I'm
Akwatia, and how you too?
Hello.
Nana catch yourself, Fred. You want phone? na Ejai TV no. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
We are free.
It has been within the Lord entry. It's faithful to pray the phone.
Oh, free.
To pray the phone.
Okay, yetio.
Hello?
Yetio kasa.
Hello?
Obani yetio kasa.
Mr. Of our class, the Fikazan, you know, because I'm Mr. Ghana and Casalin, which is wait to Mr. Ghana and Kobe. We have to make a photo, I don't know who we are. I'm not Ghana, Kono. If you have the Ghana, Kono, Ghana is the full best seller, man. If you know Patan, and they don't let you know, man, you can't say no. Then you could follow any city about Ghana and Kono.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello. If I tell you phone na Ejai TV. Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Sorry,
Today you are free. Munyi free so. Oba, lower the volume of your TV set.
Yeah, the most important part more. Now, the person is ending finino. Only I would say, I'm not a young papa. I got the in my old tree. Oh, see, I got the hair and Ramasu Grandpa. I was thinking you see which is it. When we protocol of the region, so what you want your face mask, if you want to go with me, the other day. That's how more honor. Now, you tell you the other Nana Akufuado. You feel a way to papa wheel. Nankuta Onshira said, yes, Mukron. You nearly the also say a Akufuado bit near ma said it or crying. And so by your senior Mapata or young Wagana Ham. No question, a dear baby in the Mutaya. Eh? Yes, let me be on now for Joy,
Yeah, I see. Isaiah Man Ventures, Chrono, Opposite Market. I urge all eligible Ghanaians to go and register by wearing nose masks and observe social distancing to stop spread of COVID-19 to save lives so that we all can vote massively for Adanko Akufo-Addo. One of the Abba and Farouk from Tema, right? 2020 elections is about the future of Ghana and not propaganda stance of NDC. Nana Yajedu also from Axim. Good evening, Sir Mike. Thanks for your show. In fact, you've made my day. Tell the NPP man to tell us what they have done and stop disputing that of the NDC. Greetings to all NDC members across the country. Okay. Now, AC, Mr. Pense, a very good evening. Yes.
Mami Rapape.
First time in Ghana.
Mami from Manusia.
First time in Ghana this week.
Me manu kwa maneka.
Oh yeah, my.
Me manu kwa maneka.
NDC about. Na, oh, okay.
Right.
Yes. Me pacho one. Nya omu college na omu call no. Omu ni information.
Okay.
Obaku frɛ osi circle interchange. Say ya interchange na ehwehwɛ de. Ne onkotama. Obamu interchange.
Okay.
Onkotamale. Obamu interchange wo. Onkokwasi. Obamu interchange wo. Say interchange is na yaka. Ba yaka obi a odwin oman hu dachi. Uzuma say Emma education on osi free education today. Jesus Christ. Does that mean say oniba oni intention say obembana.
Okay.
Free HSS. About the tenacity.
Okay.
NDC 4C. Yet to me here.
Also, let us say, Honorable Nana Richard Rusu Sefi, Asempana, your message, you know, by Sanso, and Encho at top right. Obuase also message by Ambassador, and his about September. And Michael, Nana Abdumako, may a producer, a better there, PMs, Okinozo, the one, may cameraman, the Biano. And I'm boy a jump in my camera. Copy Frank, MC, Loretta, and I feel what's it of attack? Well, original conversation of the NDC and original conversation Hefra Hey, Chama.
Papa, you want to be a son about
Mr. and Mrs.
Who are you?